Yeah, I'm a senior at the Haas School of Business and a food systems minor at the College of Natural Resources, and I'm the president and co-founder of FEED, Food Equity Entrepreneurship and Development, which is a student organization I helped co-found last year, which does food justice consulting with local nonprofits, startups, and other student organizations. First of all, the reason that these opportunities I'm involved in, these groups I'm involved in, are good for undergraduates is because there aren't many places that have these opportunities. For instance, recently I worked on a cultural foods case competition with two other student organizations, mine, FEED, and the other one, Food Inno and Kabira, and together we're able to create an amazing case competition with a collaborator who's a nonprofit who's doing great work with the refugees and immigrants by creating space for them to become restaurant entrepreneurs and having a cultural barrier that they experience in their business operations addressed through a prompt that different groups of students were able to look at and then come up with a solution to and present to the rest of us at this case competition. For me, I really like the social justice and critical thinking orientedness of building social consciousness. That being understanding the other dynamics of race and class and access, particularly economically, we can see in the food system on other nations, developing nations, that the United States takes advantage of often with food dumping and other means. And then understanding how all that's related locally. If you're a student coming to Cal who's interested in food, I would encourage you to see what's out there, not just online, but go experience it for yourself and talk to people who've been in those spaces and hear what they have to say. And then actually try out going to meetings, going to events, trying out different volunteer opportunities and seeing what you really like. Absorb everything that's happening and not consistently have this pressure and force that you need to be doing something, that you need to be better, that whatever it is that's forcing you to act a certain way, say certain things, and not just be present. To take a minute and try to do that as much as you can here and appreciate all the amazing scenery and students and friends and opportunities you have while you're here at Cal.